20 years ago, the United States alone generated over 47 million tons of paper and packaging material, creating a massive tidal wave of paper surging toward landfills in America. Our founders, Chung Liu and Chung, didn't see a tidal wave, but rather a vast ocean of opportunity. They realized that the millions of tons of paper could be a resource for paper mills that convert discarded paper into packaging material and other paper products throughout the world. They also recognized this was a major opportunity to redirect that paper away from landfills to help preserve our environment. Guided by a commitment to help preserve the environment, they set sail on that ocean of opportunity and founded America Chung Nam in Los Angeles in 1990 with a clear vision and uniquely definitive purpose: to create an innovative company culture where long-term relationships with customers, vendors, and employees would ensure that it could survive and thrive in any economic climate. With this vision and purpose as our foundation, we launched into the recovered paper market, and in the years to follow, our growth would quickly set off to new heights rarely seen in the industry. In 1995, our founders moved to China and opened the Nine Dragons paper mill, a relationship that would serve as a strong current in helping us move swiftly along our journey. Most paper mills in China used aging technology and equipment. Our founders saw an opportunity to leapfrog the industry and designed their mill to exceed government requirements. With 23 papermaking lines and an annual design capacity of over 8.5 million metric tons, Nine Dragons became a technological leader and set new standards for environmental responsibility. Plotting this course helped Nine Dragons overtake their competitors to become the largest containerboard producer in Asia, creating a growing wave of demand for recovered paper. Our ability to meet that growing need allowed us to ride that wave of success along with them. Today, Nine Dragons is one of the 5 largest and most successful mills in the world. This is a shining example of our founders' vision. Our strategy for expansion would lead to the opening of our first regional office in New Jersey in 1995. We could now aggressively pursue new business opportunities on the East Coast, as well as satisfy the growing needs of our new customers in the Midwest and Canada. By 2000, a decade after we first opened our doors, we officially became the biggest exporter of containerized cargo, propelling us to be the #1 exporter of recovered paper in the United States. We've continued to hold this position for 10 consecutive years, despite increasing competition. Still, the demand for recovered paper accelerated, and we aggressively continued to seek new sources. We opened offices in the Netherlands and the United Kingdom and cultivated new relationships all around Europe and the Mediterranean. From there, we're able to source materials from 27 different countries. These offices were critical in our expansion, as the opportunities there account for a significant volume of recovered paper that we transport today. In 2007, we expanded our horizons and opened our Tokyo office to capture supply markets across the Asia-Pacific region. This gave us a geographic advantage, allowing us to respond and deliver to our customers in China with a wider choice of paper grades. As we navigated our course through this sea of rapid growth, our employees were the shining stars that helped guide us through this journey. Whether providing superior service to our customers and partners, or bringing in new business opportunities, their high ethics and moral compass were instrumental in carrying out our mission statement. However, this would just be a preview of the success that we would enjoy in the next 10 years. Today, we are a billion-dollar company. Our global leadership is more apparent than ever. From the US, Europe, and Asia, we export over 9 million tons of recovered paper. Our strength and leadership in the industry allows us to be nimble and make quick course adjustments in a rapidly changing global economy. While entering new markets has fueled the financial growth of the company, our heart still beats with the unwavering idea that our deep relationships with Nine Dragons, other paper mills, our suppliers, and our vendors will help us all master the turbulent waters of international markets. By delivering more and more value to our customers and partners, we've stayed on top in a very competitive industry and are poised and ready to create a bright future. Our success in the coming years will arrive from the commitment we made 20 years ago. We, along with Nine Dragons and our business partners, would work together, creating something special that was greater than the sum of its parts. Nine Dragons will continue healthy growth, as they have extensive expansion plans, and by 2012 will have a total of 33 production lines and an annual design capacity of over 12 million metric tons. On their journey to become the largest paper mill in the world, we will continue to grow and strengthen our relationship with them and other paper mills as the market for recovered paper expands. In recent years, we have been extending our reach into new waters and have expanded into recycled plastics. We see this as a tremendous opportunity, a natural evolution of our business, and have already begun to capture a major share of this market. We will carry forward our experience, expertise, and reputation of excellence and partnership over the past 20 years to earn the respect and confidence of new customers and vendors in the future. We think of our success as a tide in an ever-flowing ocean. When this tide rises, as it has for the past 20 years, it lifts everyone along with it. However, we cannot measure success by numbers alone. Our true achievements have come through the core vision of our founders: build positive relationships with our partners, and be there through good times and challenging times, so that these companies think of America Chung Nam as their preferred partner. This vision has helped navigate us through calm and rough seas to discover new and brighter horizons. Our company has enjoyed a successful and prosperous 20 years. And tonight is about creating the next 20 and beyond. But that doesn't begin with the next office we open, the next board meeting, nor does it even start with the next container we ship tomorrow. The next 20 years of America Chung Nam begins now.